To indicate an unspecified quantity or amount. Any time, any place, any day. You can call me anytime. We can meet at any place that's convenient for you. Let me know if you're free any day this week. To express a lack of restriction or limitation. Any person, any reason, any method. Any person can join the meeting. You don't need any reason to be kind. You can use any method to solve the problem. To indicate a negative or conditional context. Not any, hardly any, without any. I don't have any money left. There were hardly any people at the event. She completed the task without any help. To emphasize a possibility or choice. Any of them, any other, any better. You can choose any of them, they are all good. Do you have any other suggestions? I don't think there's any unknown or indeterminate option, any moment, any second, any way. The package will arrive at any moment now. He could call any second, I'll help you any way I can. Common collocations with any. Any idea, any chance, any difference, any longer, any means. Do you have any idea where she went? Is there any chance of finishing early? It doesn't make any difference to me. I can't wait any longer, for his response. We need to succeed by any means necessary.